Hello everyone, welcome to another hair hack video. Take your hair and divide it into 4 parts. Take the upper part of the hair and tie plaits out of them. Keep tying plaits in bits and pieces by taking small strands of hair from all the corner of your head just like this. Keep tying it in the form of plaits. Then take the lower half of the hair and again tie it in the form of plaits just like this. Be very consistent and calculative in your work so that you get the desired results. Be very patient while doing so. After you are done tying the plaits, tie the lower end of the hair along with the upper part with a rubber band. Divide your hair into 4 equal parts. Tie the upper parts in the form of ponytails and then keep inserting it through the gaps of one another just like this. Now take the rest of a part of the hair and keep tying it in the form of plaits just like this by taking small strands of hair from here and there. Now keep tying the plaits until you reach the bottom of your head to the very end. Now roll the plaits upwards and then decorate it with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, divide it into 4 parts. Repeat the same process of tying it in the form of pigtails or ponytails just like this. Now, when you are done tying the plaits, reach the bottom of the head and then take the ponytail along with the plaited parts and then start tying the plaits again. Now, when you are done tying the plaits, roll the plait upwards in the form of snail and around the snaily part and decorate it. Your hair, tie it in the form of 2 ponytails. Now take the ponytail and tie plaits out of them. When you are done tying the plaits, keep taking hair from the sides as well and keep inserting it along with the ponytail and the sides of the head just like this. Now when you are done tying the plaits, reach the bottom part of your hair and tie it in the form of plaits. Roll it upwards. Take your hair, divide it into 6 equal parts and attach all the 6 equal parts in the form of ponytail one another. Now take the lower end of your hair and tie plaits out of them. When you are done tying the plaits, take your hair, divide it into 2 parts from the middle. Now keep taking hair from every corner of your head to tie plaits out of them. Be very consistent and calculative. Use your fingers and hands carefully. You are done. Take your hair, divide it into a middle part and then divide that middle part into all the more 2 parts. Now start tying it in the form of plaits. Take hair from the upper part of the hair as well and keep inserting it inside the plaited parts of your hair just like this. When you are done tying the plaits, reach the bottommost part of your head. Now repeat the same process with the other half of the hair as well. This process can look very complex. Thank you for watching.